Has living in a landed house always been your dream? How does having your very own landed house for just over 2 million sound? Today I have a beautiful semi-detached house to show you where that dream of yours can come true. Hi, I'm Bryan from Urban Agents, and today we are at Kew Terrace, where I'm about to show you a landed home that could easily pass as an art gallery. A landed home at the price of a 4-bedroom condo might sound incredulous, but I assure you that seeing is believing. Let's go! Ever wonder how you can get both the convenience of abundant amenities and a quiet landed environment? Kew Terrace is in a landed neighborhood near Tanah Merah MRT and gives you exactly that. This beautiful semi-detached house was built in 1999 by renowned developer City Development Limited, assuring you of a quality build. It has been beloved by the first owner ever since. The owner has taken very good care of the property and has upgraded it throughout the years. Most recently, the owner upgraded all aircon, completely overhauled the dry kitchen, rear shelter, wet kitchen, as well as all the glass shower doors in all bathrooms. 5 bedrooms and 5 en-suites, spreading across 3 levels, will give you and your family the most functional and spacious living experience. The layout of all rooms are square, ensuring that the living space is maximized. The front yard has car park space and an outdoor dining area to host gatherings or a barbecue. Let's explore what's inside the house. On the first floor, we have a living room, dining room, a guest room en-suite, dry and wet kitchen, and a storeroom. On the second floor, you can find a deluxe master bedroom and a second ensuite. On the highest floor, we have 2 ensuites and the family hall on top of the staircase. You can still explore options to expand into the roof space, which is very high. Add up a few dormer windows to the rooftop, and you can add completely new rooms to this already spacious house. Coming through the main door, you are greeted by this foyer space, which is very well lit and gives you privacy from the passerby. This space has been transformed into an art gallery entrance. Let's take a moment to appreciate the gorgeous lighting and the artwork, shall we? Now we are at the other side of the partition, inside the living room. Look at this 3.5 meter high ceiling. These 4-panel, full-height doors will allow plenty of sunlight to flood in and brighten the space. Also, these high walls almost beg to be adorned by bespoke art pieces from Rembrandt to Banksy. The facing of this living room is north towards west by 30 degrees. This north-south facing will ensure the best ventilation. This elevated dining space is just as elegant as the living room. This is spacious enough for 8-seater dining sets. Just like the living room, we have these full-height glass doors right over here, bringing plenty of natural light. These glass doors can open up fully and double up the dining space. If you want to opt for outdoor dining, you're still covered by the glass canopy and even have a fan above the table. Now let me show you where we cook up a storm for the family. Let's go! The most important thing about a kitchen is brightness and ventilation, both of which are in abundance here thanks to this huge window. There are plenty of storage space in these built-ins for your cookware and condiment. Can you believe that this is just the dry kitchen? Now let me show you the best wet kitchen an aspiring chef can only dream of. Let's go! This beautiful sheltered backyard has been transformed into a wet kitchen. Say bye to oil and grease inside the house. This open concept wet kitchen gives you plenty of space to move around, plenty of countertop space, and great ventilation. We also have a storage room right here that provides you additional storage space. Opposite the dry kitchen, we have the guest ensuite on the first floor. This guest ensuite with a private bathroom will give your visitors total privacy. If you are already impressed by the space of a guest ensuite, let me show you the crown jewel of this landed house, the master ensuite on second floor. Walking up the staircase to the master ensuite, you cannot help but be drawn to this classy staircase with wooden treads and patina railings for that antique touch. And this white wall is the perfect place to hang out all the art pieces you have amassed on holidays across the globe. Not only does it accentuate the space, it also turns a blank white wall into a perfect conversation starter. The owner also made storage space right below the staircase to ensure that every inch of the house is utilized. Now let's take a moment to appreciate this extremely spacious master ensuite. You have enough space to sleep, work from home, exercise on gym equipment, do your morning yoga, and store all your outfits in a luxurious walk-in wardrobe. Not only does this space allow for one king-size bed, you can put two if your heart so desires, and still have space to spare. The windows and balcony doors will allow plenty of natural light to stream in, making it feel cozy yet still functional. This balcony definitely elevates the master ensuite. From stepping out for fresh air or lounging with the loved ones to gaze at the stars, this balcony serves different needs at different times of the day. This second ensuite on the second floor is currently being used as a library and a painting room. We have a private bathroom right around the corner. Put up a queen-size or king-size bed right here, and it will be immediately transformed into a bespoke ensuite bedroom. Now let's move on to level 3. Heading up to level 3, you're immediately greeted by this warm and inviting hangout area for quality time. You could have video game console right here, or even a board game table to enjoy bonding with family and friends. We are in the first ensuite on the 3rd floor. This curved space right here is perfect for a study table or dressing table, which will be very well lit by the sunshine coming through this huge window. A defining feature of all the rooms in this house, there's plenty of space in the bedroom for your meditation, morning yoga, or morning exercise. This is the last ensuite of the property. We have a full-size built-in wardrobe and plenty of space around the queen-size bed for a study table or even a day bed for that quality reading time. This landed home is just a few minutes walk from the upcoming Bedok South MRT that is expected to open in 2024. Currently, it is 1.3 kilometers from Tanah Merah MRT, which is a 13-minute walk away. You're also well connected to other parts of Singapore as the PIE is only 10 minutes away. For frequent travelers, Changi Airport is only a 15-minute drive. The Upper East Coast bus terminal is within a 10-minute walk, as is Cold Storage Eastwood for grocery needs. Bedok Food Centre, housing a wide range of retail shops and food options, is also 10 minutes away. You are spoiled for shopping options with Bedok Mall, Bedok Point, and Bedok Shopping Complex. For young parents, Tampines Primary School is within 1 kilometer, while Bedok Green Primary School and St. Anthony's Canossian Primary School are within 1 to 2 kilometers. Nearby preschool and daycare centers include Apollo International Preschool Infant Care, Planet Montessori, and Wharton Preschool East Coast Center. Secondary schools in the vicinity include Bedok View Secondary School and Bedok South Secondary School. Residents move to the east for village lifestyle in colorful neighborhoods such as Siglap, Bedok, Tampines, Joo Chiat, Katong, and Pasir Ris. You also have easy access to Singapore's largest park, East Coast Park, as well as Bedok Reservoir Park. You might already know that this area is home to major employment hubs like Changi Business Park and Changi Airport. More jobs will be created in the semiconductor and aviation-related industry clusters at Tampines North, Pasir Ris, and Changi. The new Singapore University of Technology and Design near Upper Changi will also bring a massive student population to the area. The East residents will enjoy a seamlessly connected railing network in the future. The Thomson East Coast Line will be completed by 2024, and 5 new MRT stations on the Cross Island Line will also be built in the east by 2029, including an exchange with the East-West Line at Pasir Ris. Cycling enthusiasts can expect Tampines cycling paths to triple to 21 kilometers by 2022. Let's make dreams a reality. Call me for viewing now. My name is Bryan and I'm from Urban Agents. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and I'll see you at my next exclusive listing.